Come on.
You were probably picking up some shit.
Damn it. I can't do this.
You've never used a selfie stick?
Like literally twice to take pictures. I'm not cut out for this.
Figure it out. Do better.
We're out here. It's about 9 a.m. This morning we're going to put up a gate and lay down some branches on our big muddy spot right in the front of the driveway. Got the dogs running around. Got like a little swampy area down here. Dogs like it. Train's going by. Do you love it, June? You're not cold? Yes. A little short. Yeah. Scott, he's in the well, right?
Yeah. Is this a 14? I didn't even think of measurement while I was on the truck. Let's see how. We tried to hang that gate, and those people at North 40 gave us a 12-foot gate instead of a 14-foot gate. I was out there with the guy in the yard, and I pointed at the 14-foot gate. He wrote the ticket for a 14 gate. They charged me for a 14-foot gate. And when we loaded it, I didn't even think twice about it. I assumed it was the 14-foot gate because we kind of had been over it 3 times. Then we go to hang it, and Liz says it's a little short. I said, yeah, it's about 2 feet short. So we measured it, and it's a 12-foot gate. Stuff like that is just super irritating when you live kind of out of the way. Because now, I mean, that's, you know, round trip, that's an hour and a half round trip once it's all said and done. we got to go back, and it's like a waste because I spent that fuel. It's just irritating. But today I don't know. I'll flip this around here. We'll try to get the approach cut into here somewhere, I guess, and I don't know, maybe I called the septic guy, so hopefully he'll show up, and I'll probably dig a test hole over there anyway, so when he does show up, I can just set the thing. And the well driller might be here. He said he was going to be here at 9. It's 9:30, 9:40. He's not here, so we're not off to the smoothest start by any means, but that is construction, I suppose. I'll set this thing up and get a couple shots. Made a lot of progress today. We got the whole pad all flattened out. Here, I'll flip this around here and show everyone. So we got the approach in the driveway all cut. Brought some rocks up and stacked them on this corner to hold it a little bit. We got the whole pad cut all the way across. We got it all cleaned out. All the way over. I started just a small little step wall with just some of the rocks I had in the bottom here. I just started a quick little wall just to hold this up a little bit. I'm gonna cut that corner over there. I'm gonna cut that square tomorrow. That'll give me a little dirt to push into this spot right here that you can see has a little valley in it. But it's looking good up here. I was able to get quite a bit done on the road as well. Take a walk down that way and check it out. You can see there's still a little bit of work here. These are those rocks that I had piled up down there. Those are the two biggest ones I brought up here just to kind of maybe try to stabilize this bank a little bit. Plus they look nice. So we got the road looking real good. Tracked over it a bunch of times up and down while I was carrying those rocks everywhere. I did a little natural wall here as well, holding up this steep corner. This is the steepest part of this hill that's sloughing off. So I cut into the bank a little bit and just piled these rocks up the best I could with the Mini. They're not huge, but they're still heavy. I tried to get out and move a couple, and you can't. You'd have to have a bar. But we got the road cut almost the whole way down. I'm going to show you where the well driller recommended putting the well. So right over here, in between the lower and the upper road, was his suggestion, and I like it. He said he tries to put them as far out of the way as possible, and right here, right in here, will be as far out of the way of anything, and it's pretty much a waste of space anyway, because I have the road going up and the road coming in, and I can't cut this bank any steeper. I have no plans of putting anything there ever, so we're gonna stick it right there, and then I'm gonna have my water line. I'll trench that up the road here, and then I think everything will be pretty much hunky-dory. We'll see. We got all those rocks gone, and yeah, maybe we'll try to get a gate tomorrow, see if we can get the right size. We're gonna do a couple more videos. There's been some people asking kind of what our background is a little more, like where we come from as far as construction, and you know how I have the knowledge to do this. So I'll do one here in the next couple days on that, because I guess not anybody could come out here, but it is pretty straightforward. You're just moving dirt. You're not building rocket ships. You're just moving dirt from one spot to another. So stay tuned.